you are watching FoneZone.ua with me, Gaishwarana, and today we are going to discuss about a variant which was launched along with another variant in the market, which was none other than Blackberry Z series, Blackberry Z30. जी हाँ, हम जिस वेरिएंट की बात कर रहे हैं आज वो ब्लैकबेरी का Z30 वेरिएंट है जो कि मार्केट में लॉन्च हुआ था अपने प्रीवियस वर्जन। अगर हम बात करें प्रीवियस वर्जन की तो Z10 के साथ। यस, टॉकिंग अबाउट Z10 एंड Z30, कुछ ज्यादा डिफरेंस हम ये नहीं कहेंगे इनकी रिलीज डेट में है, दोनों के दोनों 2013 वेरिएंट है। बट Z10 जो है जैन में आया था एंड Z30 जो है सितंबर में आया था, सो डेफिनेटली इट हैज गॉट समथिंग टू डू विद दैट टू। वेयर इज टॉकिंग अबाउट Z30, ये एक अपग्रेडेड वर्जन है। यस, दिस इज एन अपग्रेडेड वर्जन ऑफ आर Z10, जहां हमें Z10 में देखने को मिली थी बहुत ही नॉर्मल सी चीजें, चाहे वो इसकी स्क्रीन साइज हो या हो इसका डिस्प्ले, कुछ भी हो नॉर्मल था। Z10 से अपग्रेड हुआ है Z30 में। वहीं पर वेट जो है Z30 का थोड़ा सा ज्यादा है, 130 समथिंग से बढ़कर ये 170 हो चुका है, मतलब ऑलमोस्ट 40 ग्राम ज्यादा। अब इसका रीजन क्या मान सकते हैं, व्हाट वी कैन थिंक अबाउट द रीजनिंग ऑफ दिस। इसका रीजन यही है कि इसकी जो बॉडी है वो डिफरेंशिएट की गई थी, इसकी बॉडी में थोड़ा काम किया गया था, तो मे बी दैट्स व्हाई इसमें आपको चेंजेस देखने को मिल सकते हैं। वेयर इज टॉकिंग अबाउट द स्क्रीन साइज ऑफ दिस बॉडी एंड द Z30 सीरीज, इसमें आपको आराम से देखने को मिलेगी 5 इंच की स्क्रीन। yes, 5 inch screen, whereas the earlier previous version had 4.7 inch. Yes, the previous one had a 4.2 inch screen, whereas it will have super almond capacitive touch screen along with Blackberry OS 10.2. So it has Blackberry OS 10.2, which is again a very good variant out here. Talking about this phone, we can see there is another slottation for memory card and the SIM. So the thing out here is that the featured phone is non-removable battery. Yes, the main thing is not about just the SIM card slottation or the memory card slottation, but the place where the memory card and SIM card are to be placed is just along with the non-removable battery. मतलब अगर previous phone की बात करें, if we talk about Z10, then it had a removable battery along, the placement was sidewards beneath the battery life, but in this you can see that the battery is non-removable and battery itself has increased by 1000 mAh, like it is 2800 mAh battery, which is again a very good variant out here. Talking about this variant, again, let us see how this variant has changed over the period of time. If we talk about this variant, then you get to see there has been change in the camera quality. The camera quality is not changed in the megapixels but have changed in the placement. Yes, the placement has changed. Earlier it used to have a LED downwards, but it is now placed sidewards. अब साइड में हुई, पहले नीचे थी, अब साइड में हुई है। whereas selfie camera is about 2 megapixel itself और 8 megapixel का rear camera आपको देखने को मिल रहा है. So that's something very same quality out है. 3.5 mm jack along with a stereo type speaker is also here. You can see that. We can say that the Blackberry Z30 has not changed much, but has changed in few things like the Snapdragon processing system. Like Snapdragon is about of S4 Pro. Yes, it is using S4 Pro now, and whereas earlier one used to have S Pro Plus. So that was something that has to change. Minor changes are there, very minor changes, but can be said that it is one of the great variant again. Talking about this variant, again, you can see that this variant still has the capability, or we can say the capacity of other things, because we get to see the 3.5 mm jack here. As you can see that there is 3.5 mm jack. Yes, this is the 3.5 mm jack out here. So the radio connectivity is there. Yes, you get to see radio connectivity, which was not seen in the previous version. Z10 did not have this. Otherwise, everything is same. The Wi-Fi connectivity, hotspot connectivity, Bluetooth, everything is same out here. So we already know that this variant is very good. काफी ज़्यादा अच्छा है, काफी ज़्यादा limited sites पर है, लेकिन ये this variant is amazing out there as compared to other mobiles or the mobiles at that time. So let us take you to the website where it is available at a great price, because it is available on a site which is FoneZone.ae. Yes, the site name is phonezone.ae. This is the site out here. This is the site name. You can check it on Google or click in the description box link. Link है description box में, आप वहाँ पे जाते हैं. It offers you all kind of phones. Yes, ये category है जहाँ पर आपको आपके favorite brands देखने को मिलते हैं. You get to see a search icon here. Talking about the phones, you get to see Apple, Samsung. There are n number of lists. There is n number of lists. As well as this is the search icon for you guys. There is a search icon. So this site promises to have the best pricing, best concept, like best deals for you and your market price. So best pricing के लिए आप site visit कर सकते हैं. साथ ही साथ free shipping COD भी है. So you can definitely check out this website. And for more queries, you can definitely check out their executive helpline number, or you can drop down your queries in the comment section. Till then, take care. I'll see you in the next video.